This is where it started. The fence they're talking about, it was a Saturday morning, they're not working, they're at home. They got talking about, they each has a dog. And who had the smarter dog, you know? So you know what my dog does? Every morning, he comes to my bed table lamp, and there's a dollar bill on the table. He takes the dollar bill, he goes out and he waits for the paper boy. The paper boy comes, lets him have the dollar bill. He don't even take the change back, he lets him have the change. Takes the paper, and he comes and puts it on my table by my bed. And then my wife always prepares a little breakfast for me in the kitchen table. She leaves it there. He gets that dish and he comes over with his mouth and he puts it on my table. And the other guy said, yeah, I know all about that. He said, you do? I never told you. How'd you find that out? He said, my dog told me.
Well, dogs are smart. Matter of fact,